For more updates, like, comment, subscribe to our channel.